Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Antonia, aka Tony1, and today I'm here with a review. Kind of a review. I've already used it like twice, but there are people who have not used it who actually wanted me to tell them how it worked on my hair, and why not just make a video for it? I guess I'm here to do a video for the Naturall deep conditioner. I actually really like this. I've used it like twice already, and I actually ended up buying 3 because I thought that one was not gonna do the job, but amazingly one does the job to get like full coverage on your hair. You guys are gonna see that when I actually do it. But this stuff is like really great, especially for it to be like such a small package. And I thought that when I bought it, the packages were actually gonna be bigger, but they are not. And I mean, even like have left over when your hair's actually full. But okay, so getting started, I'm starting with freshly rinsed hair, not washed, because this is a wash day video. Well, not really wash day, but a deep conditioner video, so I'm going to be washing it separately. And I'm going to separate my hair into 4 parts because this makes it easier for me to get all the deep conditioner into my hair. If you guys can see at the front of my hair, there is actually a lot of buildup because the week before I had done a lot of different protective styles. But going in, I'm gonna actually brush my hair before I put the deep conditioner in, just to get any further tangles out. And what I did fail to mention is that this specific deep conditioner is a dry hair solution because my hair tends to dry really fast. That's why I keep it up in the protective styles. This next part, I'm actually going to do it bigger because I use too much of the conditioner. And like I said, this is a thick conditioner, so putting on all that on that small part was kind of a waste to me. So the company, well, All Natural, they have different types of solutions for hair, I guess. I'm trying to figure out how to say it. But yeah, they have different types, and this one came as a set of three small packs, and that lasts well over a month because they suggest that you only use it every 2 weeks. And you guys, if you caught that, I put the conditioner on before I actually brushed it, but the brush went through like really easily because, like I said, there's a lot of slip in the conditioner. But if you guys go to the website, they have all kinds of things. They don't just have deep conditioners. They have hair growth serums. But I was only looking for deep conditioners at the moment. So that's what I got. And what you guys see me do now or before, I was actually kind of massaging, if that's the word that I need to use. I was like trying to get the conditioner into my hair, like into every strand of my hair. So I was kind of massaging the deep conditioner into my hair. And this was actually the first time that I did it, and I'm glad that I did because at the end of this video, you guys are going to see that my hair is actually the curls are kind of defined. And that's actually the first 2 times I did it, I did not get the defined look because I think I rushed through the deep conditioning process. I just slapped it on my hair and was just like, okay, this is deep condition. But I will advise that you guys do actually take the time out and massage the deep conditioners or the conditioners or your moisturizers actually into your hair so that you guys can get better results and it's softer or however you want it to come out. But take time and actually do that. You guys are going to see me still doing that now. I'm going to do that a couple of times in the video because it actually helped. I don't know whose video I saw, but I saw someone went to Diva Curls for a hair appointment, and one of the stylists was saying that it was actually better result for your follicles and your hair shaft to actually massage the product into your hair, and that's gonna actually over time reduce frizziness. And right here, you guys see me get the scrunchie stuck in my hair. It's not one of my proudest moments, but we muscled through it. We got it out. I was gonna cut my hair, but it got out in just enough time. So I also wanted to point out that my first video, I actually recorded it like June, July, and a lot of things that I said in the video, not even a lot, just a few things I said in the video, like not using oil separate from my from my products. I still mix them in, but I still actually now, not even still, at this moment, I take the time out and I actually separately oil my scalp every other day, because I guess I've gotten into a habit of it. So there's some things that I do differently, and it is okay. People change. We learn how to mature with our hair. So don't try to point out anything, because I know that I'm not sticking to my own hair tips, but it worked out for me in the end, because I feel like at some point I was actually stopping my hair growth, but then changing it up. Now my hair is like, from, I want to say August to now, from shoulder to bra strap length. So yeah, and I was right here, I was actually considering just keeping a twist in, but like I was like, nah. But if you guys can see, my hair is like really curled, defined, compared to what it was before I actually had rinsed my hair out, because it was like a dry mess, from braids to ponytails, back to braids, to a bun, to space buns, the gel, like all that stuff was in my hair like within a week, I guess. Okay, so here you guys are going to see me actually checking for split ends. And it's like the first time that I did it, because I actually cut my split ends a few months ago. Like, I want to say about 3 months ago. And it's like nearing for it to be time for me to trim it. So I'm like checking just see how bad the damage is. And actually, it's not really that bad. It's not even really bad. It's just how my hair is. It looks like there's split ends when it's just really curled, even when it's brushed out. And also, if you guys keep seeing me like look up, it's because I'm looking at my cats, because they have this perch, well, a scratching post. It's like 6.5 feet tall, and they are perched right above me. So I have to keep looking up at them to see if they're fighting up there, because they like to fight like it's a battle sequence or something. Okay, so here's when I'm actually going to do the extra massaging the stuff into my scalp, just to make sure everybody has enough conditioner everywhere, so that when it comes time for me to wash it, I have full coverage. And one thing that I know that I'm bad at is when I wash my hair, I don't actually like, I'll kind of rush through not shampooing, but really washing the conditioner out. Like even with the Aztec Healing Mask, it's like so hard to wash that stuff out because it's like so thick. And then when I have to wash it, I have to go back like 3 more times just to wash it out, because it's like they're on my scalp. But yeah, I'm going to keep advising it, because it actually, you guys are going to see in the end that it actually worked really well with me going back and massaging and added extra conditioner, just taking my time to actually deep condition my hair and make sure that there's enough going around and every strand is conditioned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes, and then when I come back, I'm gonna use a cleansing shampoo. I actually have this shampoo here. It's a Natural Fusions cleansing shampoo from Palmer's. I got it from Walmart for like $6, and I'm actually gonna use this because I want to get all the oils and all the other products that I had in my hair last week, or that I put in my hair last week. I want them all out, because last week was a week where I went through like 5 different hairstyles and I did not wash my hair. So there's a lot of product buildup and there's a lot of oils, because I oil my hair a lot. Like I oil my scalp in about 7 days. I oil my hair about 4 days out of the week. You're not supposed to oil your hair every day. Just oil it every other day, and that's what I do. I oil my hair every other day. So I'm gonna go in with this cleansing shampoo, and then I also have a conditioner. I got the shampoo and the conditioner from Walmart for about $12-13. They were like $6 a piece. So I'll see you guys when I come. Okay, so I'm back, and I was actually trying to beat the sun to come back for the video, but you know, it gets dark at like 5:30 now, so there was no way I was gonna beat it. So here's my hair, and if you guys can tell, my curls are like really defined, and that's because I think this time it worked better, because usually my curls aren't this defined when I do this treatment. But I think it worked better because I actually took the time out and I massaged the deep conditioner into my hair, so it got all of my follicles, like it got every strand of hair, and it actually conditioned it. But I did not style my hair right away. Like I did put it into 2 puffs, but this is just to let my hair actually dry, because I don't really use blow dries. I just let it air dry. And then I'm gonna come back in about a couple of days. I'll do another video of me actually styling my hair. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.